Ready to turn your knowledge into income and build a thriving online tutoring career? First, head over to Preply.com, that's Preply.com, and find the Become a Tutor button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the homepage. Click it. Now you'll be taken to the sign up page. Enter your email address and create a strong password, or use your Google or Facebook account for a quick sign up. Time to build your profile. Upload a professional profile picture, record a short introduction video showcasing your personality, and write a compelling description highlighting your expertise, teaching style, and what makes you unique. Be sure to choose the subjects you want to teach from the provided list. Next, set your hourly rate. Research what other tutors in your subject area are charging and find a competitive price that reflects your experience and qualifications. You can adjust it later if needed. Set your availability in the calendar. Indicate the times you're free to teach. Consider different time zones to attract students from around the globe. Finally, review your profile carefully and click Submit. Congratulations, your profile is now live on Preply. Now just wait for students to book lessons, be responsive to inquiries, and get ready to share your knowledge with the world. Good luck.